You are viewing the Audi Urbansphere Concepts webcast global premiere. Audi has added a new concept vehicle to its lineup. Audi's designers have introduced the Audi Urbansphere idea, which follows the Audi Skysphere and Audi Grandsphere concepts. Audi's Urbansphere concept was created specifically for clients in China's megacities. The concept car has the biggest cabin of any Audi to date, making it ideal for regions where personal space is scarce. After the Skysphere Grand Tour in August and the Grandsphere Executive Transport in September, the Urbansphere is the automaker's third and final sphere design. It will expose us to a body form that Audi has never seen before. The car has suicide doors and resembles a minivan or crossover. 2 rows of seats, especially at the back, provide plenty of knee and headroom. A suicide door is an automobile door hinged at its rear rather than the front. According to Audi, the study was meticulously planned from the ground up and demonstrates how autonomous driving may be beneficial, transforms the interior into a mobile world of experience, with no steering wheel, pedals, and displays to get in the way. The Urbansphere, which was created in close collaboration with Audi's design offices in Beijing and Ingolstadt, is intended to illustrate how the automaker sees the automobile as a third living area.